All right, YouTube. I'll give you a grand tour of my deer hut. Pretty proud of this thing. There's the outside of it. Sets up on steel rack. Got a solid steel floor. Let's see if I can keep from busting my ass on these stairs. Hinge here. And here's the inside of it. Indoor outdoor carpet. Kind of a mess. Windows. Got me a gainer chair to sit in. Usually got me a little heater in here. There's my little heater. Curtains. I got rice strips planted out there in that field, and the old deer feed on them pretty good. Put me some hooks down here. Some hooks up there. I'm gonna build a little shelf or something to put a 20-pound propane tank in. Now if I can get out of here without busting my noggin. I gotta fix this door too, the hinges are broke. All right, let's see what we got here. And I didn't bust my ass. Anyway, there she is. It's a beautiful snowy day. Love it out here.
Biggest things in life are your friends and family. And I like my jeans and my old t-shirts, and a couple extra pounds never really hurt. 'Cause a country boy is all I'll ever be. 'Cause Hank taught me just how to stay alive. Catch me out the house without my 9 or 45. I got a big old tractor and a diesel truck. My idea of heaven's chasing whitetail bucks. And as a country boy, you know I can survive. Now 2 flags fly above my land and really sum up how I feel. One is the colors that fly high and proud, the red, the white, the blue. The other one's got a rattlesnake with a simple statement made. Don't tread on me is what it says, and I'll take that to my grave. This is me. I'm proud to be American and strong in my belief. again. 'Cause my family's always fought and died to save this land, and a country boy is all I'll ever be.
I love my country. I love my guns. I love my family. I love the way it is now. And anybody that tries to change it has to come through me. That should be all of our attitude. Because this is America. And the country boy's good enough for me, son.
Shoulder it up real good.
I'm scared.
That is amazing.